Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wahpinas.com, wahpinas.com, and we have something new from our friends from Kata. So nakikita naman na ngayon, it's on the screen. It's the Kata X1. So Kata, as far as I know, they used to have computers way back 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago. If you check on Google, lalabas yun, you'll be able to see that. They had small netbooks, and they also had some desktops before. And this is their newest one. I think this is the second product they have for this year. It's called the Kata X1. It's going to be in stores this March 23. So we'll open it up so that you guys see what exactly is inside. So yan, malaki siya yung box. Oh, sorry, linagyan ko ng Yossi yan. I put my cigarette scissor there. So there's a laptop. It's a 14-inch laptop. See? Okay. Here's the that's my battery for my other phone. Okay. So here's the phone. Here's the laptop. Okay, alisin na natin yung box, mga kaibigan. Okay. And here's the manual. It says it's a 14-inch window laptop, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, ultra-slim narrow bezel, quad-core Intel CPU, Windows 10 OS preloaded, 1366 by 768 HD screen, 8000 milliamperes battery, lightweight and easy to carry. Okay. So yan yung manual. Mamaya na natin isa-isahin yung manual. Okay. I'll show you the plug. Okay. So kasama dun sa box, kita nyo kanina may katabing box yung sa loob, the white one. Here's the plug. So this plug is I think it's European plug, So you need an adapter. Okay, the white one. Okay. Okay. So yan yung pin niya. Okay. So we're going to remove the styrofoam cover already. Okay. Yan. Okay. So that's 14 inches up. So if you look at the sides, okay, so that's this one is a 3.0 USB. This is a micro SD slot, expandable to 128 gig. Okay, so this is the power cord. Okay, other side, you'll get another 3.0 USB port and a micro HDMI port. Okay. So, hindi, ito pala ang power. Okay, so I have 3.5 mm jack yung kabila. Okay, this is the power, I assume, kasi may pin sa loob. Okay, so yan nga yun. Okay, yung kabila is a jack portion. Okay, we'll unplug it. So it still has the iconic Kata logo. Okay. I'm gonna open it up. Yeah, kasi yung kita nyo nipis. Show you comparison kung gaano siya kanipis. Here's my Acer laptop, okay, which I bought a couple of months ago. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So para kita nyo kung gaano siya kanipis. Okay. See? Kita nyo? Okay. So I think the Kata is lighter, Pero kasi the Acer one has a CD-ROM. Meron pa siyang port for yung RJ. So we're booting it up. As you can see, ganda ng complete keyboard siya, Okay. So hindi mahihirapan yung mga gagamit, So comparing it to the keyboard ulit ng Acer, tingnan nyo. It's almost exactly the same. Okay. So yung power button, okay, so tingnan nyo. Okay, so it's almost the same. Pinakaiba lang yung ito may mga function buttons siya dito sa gilid, So, but it's almost the same. Yun lang ang dinagdag nung sa Acer. Okay? So, kita nyo ang bilis mag-boot up is less than 1 minute. Okay? So, yan na po yung laptop. It's on. It's pre-installed with Windows 10. Okay? So, yan, kita nyo I'm using the trackpad. We'll open up the settings. Okay? So that you can see sorry. Okay. System display, 1366 by 768. Okay. We go to the battery. 73% use, so may 3 hours pa siya. So I guess pag full charge to is about 4 to 5 hours. Okay. Storage available. You have 28.8 GB, 8.03 used ng OS. So you roughly have 20 gig left. Pause natin to, no? I'll find my ano muna. I'll find my micro SD. Back, ayan, hanap ko na yung micro SD ko. It's a 32 gig micro SD, no? I usually don't buy anything bigger. But with this, I might need to buy something bigger. Okay? So, lagay nyo lang siya dito sa port sa gilid, ayan, no? So, push it in, marinig nyo magkiklik. If you were listening, marinig nyo. Ayan. So, 18 point... Oh, ba't may laman to? So, out of 32 gig ko, I've used 18.3 gig. So, let's see. Okay. Anyway, wag na nating munang explore yung laman. Now, you can see, meron tong ano, go to more storage settings. Change where new content is saved. Okay. So, kung kasi maliit lang yung space ng laptop, ano, you can save everything directly to the SD card, no? So, para hindi na ubos yung laman nung yung 20 gig mo na natitira sa K1, ano? X1 pala, K1. Hindi maubos. Yan. So, diretso tayo sa SD card. Okay? So, as you can see, it's there na. So, ngayon, anything I install will go directly there. Okay, so let's go to the about. So, para makita nyo, para hindi masyado mahaba yung video, no? Windows 10 Home version 1703, OS build and product ID. It's running an Intel R Atom TM X5Z 8350 CPU, 1.44 GHz. 2 GB na RAM. It's a 32-bit operating system based on a 64-bit processor. Yun. So, para makita nyo, okay, let's go to the this PC. So, ayan yung local disk. So, nakikita nyo, 20.7 gig free of 28.2. So, that's the quick unboxing, guys. So, kita nyo, ang ganda din. I like the keyboard, you know. It's made of plastic, pero, see, kita nyo, matibay naman. You can carry it by yourself. It also has a, galaw natin konti. Okay, yan. It also has a webcam. So, built-in na, no? So, if you're gonna make, Skype calls or FB Messenger calls, ano? Para pag may kausap kayo, ayan, makikita nyo yung, you can see yung kausap mo, no? And they can also see you. So, for the quick specs, here's the full specs natin. I'll also post it in the description of the YouTube video. Intel Cherry Trail 1.8 gigahertz, tama, okay. Atom quad core, 14-inch HD display, 2 gig ROM, 32 gig RAM, 2 gig RAM, okay. Windows 10 pre-installed, USB 3 na dalawang slot, nakita nyo, di ba? Micro SD card slot up to 128, mini HDMI port, Bluetooth, BNG Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0. Wow. Okay, so may 3.5mm port, 8000 milliamperes na battery. The size, okay, is 13.25 by 8.75 by 70 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken, with the lid closed, of course. So this is now available for pre-order in any of the Kata stores nationwide. Or you only need to pay 200 pesos for the pre-order, no, para may ma-reserve sa inyo. So yun, guys, if you are looking for an affordable PC na magaan at madaling-dalim, you can check it out. In terms of memory, wala naman kayong paproblemahin, ano, kasi you can easily just buy a micro SD, no. So tingnan niyo kung gaano ka. Okay. This is almost as big, as wide as my Acer, no. So ayan, no. Okay. So mas mataas lang siya. Okay? Well, technically hindi kasi kapatong. Okay, so pagpatungin natin sila, sarado natin. Okay, so para makita nyo. So mas malaki pa rin si Acer. Okay, so para kita nyo, ayan yung laptop, nakapatong yung Kata. Okay. Oop. There, see? Mas malaki siya ng konti. So we'll be carrying this around for the next couple of days and we're gonna test it out and we're gonna let you know how it works out. Thanks guys, bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, the price is 9,999. Diba? Affordable na. Thanks. Bye.